Hey everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do a what sold video. These are the postcards and photos that sold 11/16 through 11/22. As you can see on the screen, my main store, really good week. 84 orders, 928. I believe that was mostly helped with end and relist. And then over on airplane cards, if I can get it to bring on over. There we go. 15 orders, 408. So that's also a great week over on the airplane cards. So let's get into what sold. I'm not going to go over all 84 orders, and it's mostly going to be the bigger orders. First, New York, Brookton, lumber, timber, sawmill, real photo, 19 teens. Really cool photo, like an old tractor, spewing steam, cutting up lumber. I believe that's like a steam donkey, something like that. I'm not sure exactly what the purpose is, if it's for extra power or power away from the main source. I don't know, but I believe that's called a steam donkey. And there's the back. I don't remember where it came from. Yeah, I don't remember where I got it. Oh no, I can right there. That 31E that came from the dealer who had died, and I bought out a lot from the antique mall. Anyway, uh, these are probably mostly best offers, so probably about 40 bucks for that card. Paid 40 cents, 40 cents for it, something like that. This is New Jersey Governor Joe Robinson, pioneer of Ocean City and Horse Jenny, 1906. Took me forever to find out who this person was, even though it's Ocean City. I didn't know if it was Ocean City, Maryland, Ocean City, New Jersey. Did narrow it down to New Jersey. Same thing, same dealer. 30. I can kind of see the 31E. I can't remember how much I paid for it. Not much, probably six. If that was 650, so I probably paid 65 cents for that card. Again, probably a best offer, so probably 24 bucks, something like that. Next we have, give me one second here. Advertising, Thurston Motor Lines Tractor Trailer, Charlotte, North Carolina. So just an advertising for this 1960s or so, maybe 70s. I'm thinking 60s. Tractor trailer, again, probably best offer, probably 24, 25 bucks, something like that. So there's that information. Muskegon, Michigan, an oil well gusher radium real photo. So I put radium since they're uh, the publisher of the photo. So just an oil well. I've always done well with oil wells and derricks and gushers and all that stuff. No clue where that came from or how much I paid for it, but $14.99. Again, could have been a best offer. I'm not 100% sure. Uh, Best sale of the week. Messed up on this one. It sold within 5 minutes of listing. I sourced this for 4 or 5 euros. So there it is. It was 450 euros, $4.65 US, with probably another buck or two shipping. Got this from Del Camp. Sourced it on Del Camp. It's a black and white continental size postcard. Real photo. I'm not sure if I said it, but so you see, I maybe all in for $6. I was so excited to get it. I've never ever seen this view before. I've dealt with a lot of Disney cards. Couldn't find it anywhere on the internet. Couldn't find it on Disney checklist. Nothing. Couldn't find it. Got it, and I was so excited to list it. I should have waited and started it as an auction on a Sunday. Instead, I was like 125 bucks, and yeah, it sold within 5 minutes. Should have. I have no idea what it went for or should have gone for. I did ask the buyer, has he ever seen this before? His thoughts, And they actually answered me back, which I was kind of surprised, and said no, they had never seen it before. The reason they bought it so quickly is they didn't want to wait because they thought it would be gone because they too thought it was rare. So anyway, 125 bucks for that. That's a nice flip. Birmingham, Alabama, aerial view 5-point circle, 1910s. Probably doesn't look like that anymore. $9.99. Again, could have been the best offer. New Jersey, Seagirt, National Guard, Military Ambulance Corps, 1911. Just listed this not too long ago. A little bit of creasing, a little bit of damage, but $12.99 for that card. Poughkeepsie, Wisconsin, English Lutheran Church, real photo. Probably got this at the York Postcard Show last year. Paid 80 cents, $14.99. Again, probably a best offer. Next, Patriotic Memorial Day Greetings, metal, red, white, blue ribbon. Best offer accepted, so probably, probably $9 or so. New York Bird's Eye View 4th Annual Rochester Industrial Expo, 1911. Get a best offer. Best offers are usually 25% off, so probably about $9 or so for that card. Winona, Minnesota, and this is Sugarloaf, the Hot Fish Shop restaurant. I've sold this one, I think, several times before, maybe even in a chrome version. $8.49 for that card. Puerto Rico, Growing Tobacco Under Canvas, 1912. And I believe this is going back to Puerto Rico. Paid 20 cents for that card. I can tell by the dealer booth number. Sold for probably $18, $19. Next, South Dakota, the Badlands of South Dakota. Real photo, Dan Grigg Pix photo. So again, I just worked in the publisher. If there's really not a whole bunch of other information, not a whole bunch of other keywords. $8.99. I think the same buyer bought this one. They did. Mitchell, South Dakota, Corn Palace, real photo. So very touristy, trap, attraction, roadside type of thing. But it's always been a consistent seller. I won't purposely go out and grab all the Corn Palace cards. There's one from, I think, the 20s or 30s that has the good luck symbol for swastika on it that will sell for really high amount of money, but I've never found that. So anyway, Corn Palace, $7.99. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, North 2nd Street, City View, 1909. Going overseas, $9.99. Hong Kong, view of plane making a night landing at Kai Tak Airport. Could be, no, that looks like it's taking off. Could be landing too, I don't know. I'm not sure which. But anyway, I think it was like a best offer of $14 on that card. And it's going to Japan, or went to Japan. Wildwood, New Jersey, Ed Zabera's Anglesey Inn at night. Looks like decorated for Christmas. $9.99 for that card. Jersey, Greetings from Morristown, New Jersey, Soldiers Monument, 1905. $9.99, even with all this stuff left on the back. Looks like it was... I wonder if someone filled that in. Yeah, someone must have did that later. Anyway, $9.99. I'm getting off on a rambling tangent. Pennsylvania, Keystone State Observatory. Real photo. It's a Calkins photo. $9.99 for that card. Ohio Scenes at Cardington, Olentangy, whatever that is, near Cemetery. Some ghosting from being in an album. Nothing really spectacular, but $6.99. Just thought that it was old, very, very old. I can tell by the background. I don't know why I picked that one to show you. New Jersey, Asbury Park, mini golf on the boardwalk. I think I showed this maybe in my that 6-hour-long video. Sorry about that, on Thanksgiving. I always buy these. It's a consistent seller. $7.99. Yosemite Falls, California, and Bear Cub. There's the Bear Cub right there. California, real photo, and $14.99. Port Deposit, Maryland. Greetings, exaggerated fish fishing. Port Deposit, one of those bolo towns in Maryland. Uh, I think probably got $18, $19 for that. San Diego, California. Camp Callan Service Club, World War II soldier. I don't know why I just wrote soldier. Probably I wanted to do soldier mail or something like that. It ran out of room. $14.99 for that card. Next, we have Shrewsbury, Pennsylvania, East Center Square, 1920 Street View. Best offer, probably about 18, 19 bucks. This also came from that dealer who had died, so I probably paid less than $1 for that card. I got these at the York Postcard Show last year, 2021. I remember getting them from the dollar box. Actually, they cost 80 cents. Artist signed, had no clue who it was. Just interesting scene. They're foreign. So Schoenflug. I was able to track down that name. I think I did have to do like a Google lens of one of the cards. But anyway, $9.99 for that one. $9.99 for that one. Might be best offers, probably a buck or so off. Same thing, and that one all going overseas. So nice little order there. This place in New York, Canyato Inn Hotel on the Finger Lakes. Best offer, probably 15, 16 bucks. And then last card on the main store, Pocono Pines, Pennsylvania, volleyball game, girls camp. That place, however you pronounce that place. And $14.99. Over on Airplane Cards. I've been listing a lot over there too. Within the last month, I've probably put up several hundred cards. Had a really nice multi-quantity order here. This one person bought all those cards, $128. I did a discount, so he got or she $25 off their order, which is great. You know, I sold, I don't know, 20, 30 postcards that I paid a penny each for, and got 128 bucks for them. Another multiple quantity order of these black and white photos. Did best off, set offers 20% off or 25% off. Had a whole bunch of these 8x10 photos that came in the airplane lot. So $20 for these. And this one also probably around 20 some dollars. Black and white photo from the 60s, Pan American World Airlines. One of the Air Force One. Again, probably around $20 or so on the best offer. Color photo. It just says White House 1973. So set from the 70s. This jet looks like an E4. No, F-102 Corvair or Convair. So military photo. Again, probably $18, $19 on the best offer. And then another multiple quantity order, 25 bucks. So airplane cards are picking up again because I'm listing. So you gotta list to sell. So there we go. Yeah, all in all, what, $1,300 a week? That's not bad at all. Finally, again, listing and selling. So pretty good. I got a Whatnot auction every Tuesday and Saturday. I canceled the last one. I was exhausted. So check out Whatnot. I will be obtaining like 40 boxes of new stock from my guy Dave, probably within the next week or so, and those will be coming to Whatnot probably after Christmas, I think, because I will have to go sort them, I believe, and get them in some type of order. So yeah, that'll be coming here in the next month or so. So hope your sales are great, and we'll catch you next week. Thanks for watching.